Hello everyone, I'm Neha. This is my first video. So the first video I'm going to teach you how to make kajal. Like as you all know, like it's very difficult for all of us to go out and buy kajal, lipsticks or anything. We don't find it so essential. So let's make homemade kajal. It's very easy. For that you need ajwain, you need some ghee, you need cotton and diya. I'll just show you how to make it. Place the diya here. Take cotton, just spread it and make it like evenly and make it like that, like it's a thin cloth. See how I have joined it and it's appearing like I have made a small cloth. Then I'll put some ajwain in it, like this much, and then I'll fold it. I'll just spread the ajwain throughout this way. Can you see it? Yeah. And then I'll fold it. I'll put little bit and I'll fold it and make a wick out of it. I'm making a wick. See, this way. Yeah, my idea is little small. You can use a big diya. And then I'll put ghee in it so that I'll just dip it in ghee. I'll put ghee over it, like how you do it normally for diya. I cover it from all the sides so that it burns properly. It's like diya only. Okay. See, this is the way you need to keep it so that the kajal settles on the plate. And this can be used to darken your eyebrow also. I'll show you how to do it. The diya has burned completely and you can see the kajal settle on this plate. So let's scrap it. Take a fork. Can you see? Can you see the powder like something? It's kajal. I've scrapped it and stored in this container. Can you see it? I put little bit here on the brush. I'll just take little bit and can you see it? Can you see? The kajal is ready. I'll show and apply on the eyes and show you. Can you see? The kajal is ready. Okay. If you want to darken your eyebrows, just put this powder on your eyebrow. With the brush, and you can sleep with it, and in the morning just wash it off. In few days you will see to it that your eyebrows are getting darker. Do comment how did you like the video, and please do try this. I have made it in a very lesser quantity. If you want, you can use big diya. You can use more amount of ajwain and ghee, and you can store like this in the container. And this has no expiry date. Thank you. Do share the results with me. Thank you.